Here we are right here, right in the heart of Rush Street. As you can see, it's lightning. This is almost unbelievable, but it is thundering and lightning in a snowstorm. There was some thunder. Few cars out. I don't think I just see one, two. I see two people. And I see one car. There's a couple cars moving. This is almost amazing. I'm actually 2 blocks off of the lake. They've actually closed Lakeshore Drive. I'm actually 2 blocks off of Lakeshore Drive. You see that snow coming from the right of this video. It's coming, it's the lake effect. Snow coming right off of. There was some lightning, I think you saw. This is unbelievable. This is one of the busiest areas in the city of Chicago. And it is literally a ghost town with snow. Somebody out there is plowing. I don't know if you can see, but see the bottom right, someone's plowing. I don't know why. It's not doing good the way it's coming down. This is happening. There was some more lightning. Happening right now, February 1st in Chicago. They say this is the worst snowstorm since 1967. It's a long time. There's a lot of snowstorms that weren't nowhere near where this one is. There was more lightning on the radio today. I heard someone say that if you don't have to go somewhere where it's worth risking your life, then don't leave out the house tomorrow. It's not even 9 o'clock in the evening yet, and this is supposed to continue until 3 o'clock in the morning. 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. I have no idea what to expect when I wake up. I'm almost afraid to go to sleep just because of what I may see when I wake up.